Students, today we'll be discussing about the types of operating system. As you all know that operating system is of many types. One is single user operating system. Only one user can use it uh, priorly. Example is DOS, that is one of Microsoft, and Microsoft Windows 95. And currently we are using graphical user interface, as well as it is multi-user multitasking operating system. Graphical user means whatever you are seeing on the screen is graphically. The folder, the files, images, all are graphical user interface. Example are Mac OS, Linux and Windows. Multitasking operating system, the ability to perform more than one task at the same time is known as multitasking. Example, you are downloading something as well as you are creating some objects on your computer, so it is known as multitasking. Examples are Windows, Linux and Microsoft 9x. And now I'll be telling you about DOS. The full form of DOS is disk operating system, and it runs from the hard disk drive, and it is the oldest version of operating system. And whatever I am using the operating system is through command line. Command line means what? The command prompt where I'll type my commands if I want to create something, and if I want to create files and folders. And it is the most commonly used operating system previously in the year 1980, 83, 84, 85 and so on. And it is owned and developed by Microsoft. And the systems which are previous systems which are using this disk operating system are IBM PCs, that is owned by IBM, International Business Machines. And now we'll be talking about Linux. Linux is one of the most popular operating system. It is open source, free, everyone can use it, everyone can download it, and everyone can distribute a number of copies. So it is the most popular operating system, and it is portable also, multi-user and multitasking. And prior to that, Windows, we have discussed. Windows is basically owned by Microsoft, and it is graphical user interface, and it is sold under the brand name of Microsoft. And every second computer is having Windows operating system, and it is the dominant player of the PC market. Except that there are many mobile operating system, because as you know that operating system, without operating system you won't be able to access either mobile, either laptop. So my mobile operating system plays a very important part, just like the operating system of Windows or the laptop. There are various mobile operating systems which are used in smartphone. Previously in 10 or 12 years back, BlackBerry is having, and it is being developed by RIM. Android is the product of Google, and iOS is for Apple. Nokia is having Symbian, and Microsoft is having Windows Mobile as operating system. But the most popular operating system for mobile is Android, which is owned by Android Inc. till October 2003, but it was purchased by Google in 2005. And right now 95% of the mobile are there on Android platform. And except that, so it is a global leader as far as the technology for mobile industry is concerned. Android is a mobile operating system which is owned by Google in 2005. Except that there are Symbian operating system which is primarily used by Nokia company, and it is owned by Symbian Limited. And Sony, Ericsson, Samsung and Motorola are also using that. After 2010 or prior to 2010, Android is all over the place, and Apple has also developed its own operating system which is known in the market by the name of iOS. iOS means that the Apple users are using the iOS. They have their own software just like Android. iOS gadgets just like iPad Air or MacBooks are having Apple iOS. Except that Windows Mobile operating system is developed by the users who are using Windows Mobile, just like Android phone. and it is developed by Microsoft. And Windows Mobile operating system are right now there in Nokia Lumia, Samsung ATI, and Windows Phone ATC. But actually, right now the current version we are having is Windows Mobile 10. But since 2019, Microsoft has stopped all the updates and support for Windows 10 Mobile because only 5% market is being captured by Windows Mobile and rest 95% is being captured by Android phone. So students, today we have learned about operating system, what are the types of operating system and what are the functions of operating system, as well as mobile operating system and the role of operating system in mobile as well as in PC. Hope you like the session. Thank you so much.